Good morning, everybody. Hope you're well. So I'm going to talk you through my couple of trades I've taken this morning. First one was the AM POC. Just grab my pen 1 second. There we go. So Frankfurt Open, 7 a.m. Priced auction down to this naked place control. And then we traded up to this AM single print here. And I'll talk about this AM single print in a minute. We had high volume into that area, which I'll show you. Oh, there's my fills there, sorry. That was the buy, and that was the close into that area there. Footprint confirmations, 7 o'clock, high volume, rejection tail, end of auction, and the VWAP straight into the naked plug of control. And I entered, it was around about, where was it? It was around about here when I entered my 3 positions. And then I closed out the positions just before this AM single print here. And then you can see I've got a few shorts running here at the moment. Just get rid of that. Okay, I want to discuss this single print with you now. So you can see this AM single print here, which is this move yesterday here. So I've copied it across from the AM chart to the daily chart. And you can see yesterday, price came down, came back up to this AM single print, which you can't see on the daily TPO, rejected, and then traded the rest of the day in this area here. So my thought process was, I think we opened, where did we open? Have a little look. Change my. Yeah, so we opened around about this area here. We did open this area here on the daily, trade down to the POC, and then trade up to this single print. If I hadn't marked this single print here, I wouldn't know about it on the daily TPO. So that's just something to reference. So my thought process was, we protected this single print yesterday, came down, traded in this area, opened up around this area here, and I had a short bias. Obviously, as you know, I got long from this area as well. Price came up to this via area high here, and then just popped above this structure here. And then we got some resistance just on this single print area here. Mr. Benecki mentioned it in his video. It was a bit difficult to read the footprint this morning. I was looking for end of auctions, flicking through the time frames, but wasn't really giving me any clues. But I was relying on this zone to be respected. Eventually, we got the breakdown you can see here. We have left a poor high there. I was aware of that when I was in the trade. But thankfully, we have traded from this area. So this area here is this area on the daily. So whoever got short in this area, maybe a bank or big investors, they're now protecting that area. And now we're just trading lower. Expectation is to trade towards these deviation bands, possibly to this daily value area low. But I'm going to keep an eye on the trade. It's still open at the moment on these positions. So that's the reasons for getting in both these trades. So long from here, up to the single print, short at the moment. And we broke the daily VWAP. just approaching the weekly view, but I'm just giving an eye on it now as I'm speaking to you. And I'll be looking at closing on the other side of the deviation bands around about here. So hopefully we can get there. It's a bit slow. Okay, hope that's nice and clear. And I will catch you all on the next video. All right, cheers, thanks, bye.